Hello, I'm Duncan Warnock from Maz Tax Accountants. Today I'm just going to do a short video on how you can allocate a payment from your customer to an outstanding invoice. Okay, let's begin. So we're logged in and we're viewing the home screen for our business, ABC Company Pty Limited. Before I allocate the payment, I will just show you the unpaid invoice for the customer. Let's click on Customers, left-hand menu. We're going to look at an unpaid invoice for one of our customers called Polly Waffle. So we select Polly Waffle. And what we can see is a list of invoices, for Polly Waffle. We have one overdue invoice for $110 is the total. And we also have and this is the details of that invoice, and we also have a more recent invoice for Polly Waffle for $330, which actually isn't due for payment yet. Okay, let's go back to go to banking. So we click on Transactions, click on Banking, and here we are displaying our business account transactions for our only business bank account in this scenario. We are viewing the For Review tab, which means these are transactions that are fed from our business bank account into the software solution. However, it means that they still haven't been allocated within the accounting solution. Let's have a look now. Polly Waffle has paid the $110 on the 28th of June 2016, and in this case they've paid the same amount as what was on the invoice. The great thing in this case is Intuit QuickBooks finds a match between the payment amount received and the unpaid balance of the invoice and suggests that they are a match with each other, and really basically saying, would you like to match this amount? Let's just click on the line item. Okay, work our way down. And as you can see, the bank account transaction has the description sales Polly Waffle, which the customer has entered. And although it defaults to transfer, it's not actually a transfer in this case, it's actually payment of a customer invoice. We're going to click Match. And here we're finding possible matches for this $110. The software is also identifying several $110 invoices for another customer called Heathrow. In this case, we know this is from Polly Waffle, so we're going to actually leave the radio button selected for invoice 1020, and we're going to click Match. Transaction has now been matched. It has gone from the For Review tab in the bank account and now gone to in QuickBooks tab, which we can see here has got the details that we're looking at before. If we click on this payment link, it will show details of the amount received, and it also shows the invoice that was allocated to $110. Alright, let's hop out of there. We'll now go back to the customer list of invoices, which earlier we saw that 2 invoices were unpaid. And now when we look at the Polly Waffle list of transactions, we can see that that $110 invoice has now got a status of paid. The payment transaction is further below for $110, and they have both been allocated, and the status is paid and closed, and the status is in green. At this stage, we're still waiting on a further $330 from Polly Waffle in the future. Okay, so that's all we have time for today. Thanks for listening. Hope that was useful, and catch you later. Bye-bye.